Right, boys and girls, I promised you that I would share with you another long division. The first one I gave you was where you were dividing by 1 digits. This time we're going to, as you can see, divide by 2 digits, for example, dividing by 21. Remember, everything is set out the same way as before. We need to work out our cheat sheet. Yes, you should not be using a calculator, but in actual fact your brain and working it out. All right. Sometimes this is actually the hardest part of a long division, knowing exactly what your 21 times tables are. And no, we don't expect you to know it off by heart, and that's therefore why we expect you to do the cheat sheet on the side. All right, so let's have a look. We first of all start off by saying 21 divided by, my mistake. We say how many times can 21 go into 6, right? If I only have 6 sweets and I have 21 of you, I definitely cannot share those 6 sweets. So ideally what I do is I place a dot at the top. Okay, there is another way around where you can go and put 0, and 0 times 21 is 0 and minus and carry on, but it does make it a whole lot longer. I'm going to show you a slightly shorter trick. So 21 cannot go into 6. But 21 can go into 69. Have a look at the cheat sheet, right? How many times? Well, the closest is going to be 63, which is 3 times. Anything more than that is going to give us 84, which is too much. Okay, so moving back here, we've already divided. So 21 can now go into 69, we said 3 times. Right, so we've divided. Now we need to multiply, and we know 3 times 21 is 63, so I record 63 underneath. I set it up as a subtraction. 9 minus 3 gives us 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Just put a dot in its place. Okay, so we've subtracted. We now need to bring down, and what we bring down is our 0 from the top. So we've brought down. We go back and we divide. All right, so now we go on and we say, can 21 go into 60? Well, again, the cheat sheet's going to help us. So we need something that is nearest or closest to 60. 63 is going to be too much, but so 42 is going to work for us. So 21 can go into 60, we say, 2 times. All right, so I've divided. Then I need to multiply. 2 times 21 is going to give me 42. Set up my subtraction, so I've done my multiplication. 0 minus 2, remember, we can't do, so we need to cancel out and we need to take our 1 across. So 10 minus 2 is going to give me 8. 5 minus 4 is going to give me 1. So I've done my subtraction. Now I'm going to bring down the 9 that's left behind, and I'm going to place it down there. All right. Now I need to figure out, so let me just tick off, can 21 go into 189? Again, go across to your cheat sheet. 189, look at that, 9 times. So 21 can go into 189 9 times. That's my division. We multiply. 9 times 21 is 189. We subtract. 9 minus 9 is 0. 8 minus 8, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Is there anything more to bring down? No. Therefore, my final answer is 329. All right. Just a pointer, please, guys and girls, when you're doing long division, whether it's by 2 digits, whether it's by 1 digit, make sure that you are keeping your columns correct. I know at home you more than likely don't have your quad paper with you, but please, guys and girls, make sure you're keeping your columns as straight as possible. Looking at mine, they're not perfect, but you get an idea of the columns and how important it is to stick to them. Otherwise, you're going to confuse yourself. All right, I will be posting your answers to some of those activities today and again tomorrow. Enjoy, good luck, and remember, practice makes perfect. Remember the example of the bicycle that I always give you? Right, keep practicing.